Ever thought how a simple fruit can be a powerhouse of health benefits? Welcome to the world of pineapples. Now, when we think about pineapples, we often picture a tropical paradise with this sweet and tangy fruit being served as a refreshing snack. But did you know that beyond the tropics, pineapples have a history as rich and vibrant as their flavor? Originally from South America, pineapples were not just a delicious treat, but a revered medicinal plant. Ancient cultures used them for a range of ailments, from soothing digestive troubles to healing wounds. Fast forward to today, and we are rediscovering what our ancestors knew all along: that pineapples are not just a tasty fruit, but a treasure trove of health benefits. So now you might be wondering, what exactly makes the pineapple so special? What health secrets does this spiky fruit hold? So why not dive deeper into the world of pineapples and unravel their health secrets? Did you know a cup of pineapple chunks can kick your immunity up a notch? Quite the punch packed in those tropical delights, isn't it? Now let's dive into the science and peel away the layers of this complex wonder fruit. Pineapples are a powerhouse of vitamin C, a well-known immunity booster. But what does vitamin C actually do in our bodies, you ask? Well, imagine your body like a bustling city. The cells are the citizens, and vitamin C is the city's superhero, swooping in to repair, protect, and maintain order. From healing wounds to boosting your body's defense system, it's got quite a lot on its plate. Now picture this. You've got a cold, your nose is running like a tap, and you're reaching for a tissue every 5 minutes. Sounds familiar, right? Well, here's where our superhero, vitamin C, enters the scene. It strengthens your immune system and helps fight off these pesky invaders. So in essence, it's your body's own little army general leading the troops against the onslaught of germs. And for those of you who think chewing on a vitamin C tablet is the way to go, here's a fun fact. Our bodies can't store vitamin C, so consuming it through our diet is crucial. And what better way to do it than with a juicy, tangy pineapple? Plus, it's a much tastier option, don't you think? But wait, there's more. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant. It's like the body's personal janitor, mopping up harmful free radicals that can cause damage. So not only does it shield you from common ailments, but it also plays a role in preventing more serious conditions. So next time you fall sick, remember, a pineapple a day keeps the doctor away. And while you're at it, why not toss a few chunks into your salad or whip up a refreshing pineapple smoothie? Your immune system will certainly thank you for it. Now, isn't that a sweet deal? Ever had a heavy meal and wished for some magic to ease your bloated belly? Well, here's a tropical genie waiting to be summoned. The humble pineapple. You see, this spiky delight is more than just a cocktail garnish or a pizza topping debate. It's a secret weapon against those pesky digestion issues we often face. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. Pineapples are packed with a unique enzyme called bromelain. This isn't just any ordinary enzyme, folks. It's a protein-digesting powerhouse. When you consume pineapple, bromelain gets to work breaking down those protein molecules that your stomach sometimes struggles with. Think of bromelain as the friendly neighborhood helper, assisting your stomach in the digestion process. It's like having a mini cleanup crew ready to swoop in and make digestion a breeze. This is particularly handy when you've indulged in a protein-rich meal. You know the ones, that delicious steak dinner or the mouth-watering roast chicken. Bromelain helps your body digest these proteins more efficiently, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable after your meal. So next time you're faced with a dauntingly delicious feast, remember the pineapple. Not only will it add a burst of tropical flavor, but it'll also lend a helping hand to your digestive system. And here's a fun fact for you. Bromelain is most concentrated in the pineapple's core. So don't just toss it aside, blend it into a smoothie, or grate it into your salad for an extra digestive boost. So why pop an antacid when you can just munch on some pineapple? Worried about those free radicals and the havoc they wreak on your body? Well, let's dive into the world of pineapples, your body's unseen defenders. Picture this, you're in a boxing ring, and you're up against an opponent that's unseen but potentially harmful. These invisible foes are what we call free radicals. They are unstable molecules that can damage your cells, leading to aging and diseases. Now imagine having a secret weapon in your corner, someone who can take on these free radicals one punch at a time. That's where our hero, the pineapple, steps in. You see, pineapples are packed with antioxidants. These are substances that can neutralize free radicals, essentially turning them from villains into harmless molecules. Think of antioxidants as the protective shield that guards your body against the onslaught of free radicals. But what makes pineapples particularly special? It's the type of antioxidants they contain. Pineapples are rich in flavonoids and phenolic acids, two heavyweights in the antioxidant world. Flavonoids are like the agile boxers, bobbing and weaving around the ring, landing quick, precise punches. They are known to help reduce inflammation and may even protect against heart disease and cancer. Phenolic acids, on the other hand, are the powerhouse punchers. They pack a serious punch against free radicals and are known for their potential anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and heart protective benefits. So when you're munching on a juicy slice of pineapple, you're not just enjoying a tasty fruit. You're arming your body with an unseen defender, a powerful ally in the fight against free radicals. But remember, while pineapples are a fantastic source of antioxidants, they are not a magic bullet. It's important to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle to keep those free radicals at bay. So, pineapples are not just tasty, they're your body's unseen defenders. And that's a secret worth sharing, don't you think? Think pineapples are just for tropical drinks and Hawaiian pizzas? Not so fast, my friends. These spiky delights are more than just a pretty fruit. They're a powerhouse of health benefits that go beyond the usual suspects. Ever thought about your eye health? Probably not as often as you should. Pineapples are loaded with vitamin C and other antioxidants, which help fight against eye diseases. They're like the invisible superheroes for your eyes, warding off nasty villains like macular degeneration and cataracts. Now let's talk inflammation. It's like that uninvited guest who overstays their welcome. You just want it gone, right? Well, pineapples have got your back. They're packed with bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that tells inflammation to pack its bags. And let's not forget our bones. They do so much for us, supporting us, literally. Pineapples are a great source of manganese, an essential mineral that's a real bona fide friend. It helps in strengthening bones and keeping them healthy. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that a pineapple isn't a single fruit, but a group of berries fused together? Crazy, right? And each of those berries is bringing its own set of benefits to the table. So next time you see a pineapple, remember, it's more than just a pretty fruit. Who knew this tropical beauty could offer so much more than just a tantalizing taste? So are you ready to welcome more pineapples into your life? Let's take a quick journey back through the tropical forests of benefits we've explored today. Remember how we started with the pineapple enigma, discovering this spiky fruit's impressive portfolio of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? And who among us can forget the immunity boosters, those essential nutrients that can help keep our body's defense system in tip-top shape? We then moved on to talk about digestion and how bromelain, a unique enzyme found in pineapples, can assist in breaking down proteins and support overall digestive health. It's like having a little helper in your stomach sorting through the food you consume. Next, we dove into the unseen defender, the anti-inflammatory properties of this fabulous fruit. This characteristic makes it a great companion for those dealing with arthritis or recovering from injuries, as it could potentially ease the inflammation and pain. And of course, we discussed how pineapples are more than just a pretty fruit. They're like a Swiss Army knife of health benefits, offering potential improvements to eye health, heart health, and even our mood. So what do you think? Is it time to make pineapple a staple in your diet to enjoy these benefits and perhaps discover even more? Remember, it's not just about gulping down a glass of pineapple juice. You can incorporate it into your meals, desserts, or even as a refreshing snack on its own. Consider this. Each time you slice into a pineapple, you're not just cutting into a sweet, juicy fruit. You're tapping into a powerhouse of health benefits. A tropical treasure trove of wellness waiting to be explored. So why not give it a go? Try introducing more pineapple into your diet and see how it impacts your well-being. Are you surprised by the amazing health benefits of pineapples? Do share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more health secrets unveiled.